Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete a Facebook page permanently. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for facebook.com. Once you are on the Facebook homepage, sign into your account with your username and password. After logging in, you will be redirected to your personal Facebook feed. Next, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, switch to the target page profile you want to delete by clicking on its name. Once you are on the target page, click on the page name banner at the top left corner to navigate to the main page view. Here, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, scroll down through the various options until you find the Access and Control feature. This feature allows you to manage your account and page settings. Click on Access and Control, and you will be presented with two options, deactivation and deletion. Select the Delete option. You will be asked to confirm your choice again by clicking Continue once more. To finalize the deletion, enter your account password to confirm the action. Once you have entered your password, the deletion process will begin, and your Facebook page will be permanently deleted. So that's basically how you can delete a Facebook page permanently. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.